Hello, and thank you so much for coming back to Tiffany's Creations. Today we are making
egg rolls.
And we're going to make veggie egg rolls. This is my sister Joy, and we are doing them for a request from Debbie. Debbie, these are for you.
And we're even going to make a peanut sauce.
Yes, we're going to make a peanut sauce for these. It's going to be so good. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is
put 2 teaspoons of oil. Now we're going to use a 1 teaspoon olive oil and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
Okay, I'm going to put it in the pan.
And put it in the pan.
And we got sesame oil here. Okay. All right,
and
sis, what's next?
We're going to put our garlic, which is a 1 teaspoon of garlic, shredded up, and 2 garlic cloves.
Oh, you
in
mean
the pan.
The ginger we're gonna grate up.
Oh, the ginger. Oh, yeah.
The garlic, we got our handy dandy garlic press, and we're gonna put two garlic cloves in there. Alrighty.
I can move it back.
No, it's okay, sister. I got this right here because I need one of these.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna put 2 cloves in. This is the second time that we're making, isn't it? I love this.
Yes.
And everything yucky stays behind. Look, if there's any skin left, any hard stuff. These are great to have. Oh, nobody can see. But anyway, we're talking about the garlic press. All right, so we're going to put this on low. Let it cook up a minute.
And we put the pinch of pepper and
pepper in there. We got fresh cracked pepper.
And 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar.
And the rice vinegar. Here we go, rice vinegar. How many? 2 tablespoons?
2 tablespoons of that.
Okay. That's a brand new bottle. There we go. All right, 2 tablespoons. All right.
And we just let that cook and cook.
Okay.
Until it's cooked up.
Okay.
And in this pot, we measure the 2.5 cups of shredded cabbage.
2.5 cups of shredded cabbage.
And 2.5 cups of broccoli.
And 2.5 cups of broccoli slaw.
And 1 cup of carrots shredded.
And we had carrots that we shredded up, fresh carrots.
And 1 cup of snow peas.
1 cup of snow peas. What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna bush them.
We're gonna bush them.
Our family really called the mini food processor, yes. But we call it a bush.
Our family has called it the bush forever, thanks to my sister. You hear it, bush? Bush. Let me just shake it up there. And we are done with those. Look at that, sis. Great job with that bush idea.
Okay, and then 1 cup.
A little bit more. A little bit more bush. Okay. How's that doing over there?
Is it good?
Okay. There's our snow peas. So we're going to add these.
Snow peas. And 1 cup of. They're not even getting yucky. What is this?
Did I put the?
I don't know what you.
Yeah, I got the right burner. Turn it up a little more. I did. All right. So we're going to put the snow peas in here with
and
that.
1 cup of scallions.
1 cup of scallions. Green onions.
Yes,
scallions green onions. Yeah. There we go. And we're going to mix these.
Mix all that up.
Is that all in this dish, sister?
That's all it's going to go in that.
Okay, and so you just put all the stuff that we told you to combine, along with the stolen green onions from my brother's garden. and we put in the what else did we put in here, sis?
The ginger, the oil,
The ginger,
oil,
the garlic,
the vinegar, and the oil.
the vinegar, the oil, and the pepper. So we're just gonna let this all cook up, all nice. It smells so good in here, right, sis?
Yes, it smells so good.
I can't wait for Debbie and Jenny and Jazz to try these. And everybody else, we're going to give everybody some so they can taste test it. This is what it is looking like, if you can see through the steam. Alright, so we'll be back as soon as this is ready and we'll show you the next step. Alright, so we're back and we are ready to roll up some egg rolls with the mix that has cooled. So
make sure it's cooled.
Yep, just put a little, like a spoonful in the middle of the egg roll wrapper. Pull the sides over. You wet the sides with, we have a little brush here. And you just roll it up. And the water will seal the edges. Right, sis? All right.
Right, that's one.
1 down, 11 to go. So we're gonna roll these up, and we'll be back and show you how we're gonna do some fried in the oil, and we're also gonna bake some in the oven, and then we're gonna do taste testing, and we're also gonna make peanut sauce. So we'll be right back. All right, so these are all wrapped.
Yes, those are all
wrapped.
wrapped.
Did a great job wrapping them. Did them real quick. So we're gonna
put half of them in the oven, and half of them we're going to fry, and we're going to fry them in olive oil and sesame oil, and for the ones in the oven, we're going to spray the pan. If you don't have a spray, that's okay. Put a tablespoon of olive oil and move it around.
Now, should I spray the top of them as well, sister?
No, you don't have to,
okay.
No.
So we'll put there. How's that?
Perfect. Let me get out the way.
We should have had this.
Put the oven on. I put that on the
350.
Yeah, I put that on for the stove. Oh, it is.
Yeah, it's going there. It's almost there. So we'll just put them in.
Yeah.
Start cooking.
And
the oil's heating up.
I see, it's okay. We put it on for the oven because we said it turned to get red.
Yeah. And I get this ready for when we can deep fry it.
Oh, okay. Well, I am not going to be able to help because I can't see.
Well, you could stay here and wait till they come out because they don't take long for these. These don't take long. What, about like a minute on each side?
You'll notice when they get brown.
When they get brown, then that's when you want to take them out. So we'll be right back as soon as this oil gets good and hot, and then we'll make some up real quick.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Yep.
And the ones we put in the oven for about 5 minutes, and then turn them over in about 2 or 3 minutes more.
Sounds good. Where's the clicker?
You have.
I can edit it.
I did put it in here.
I almost forgot. While we're waiting for the oil to get hot, we're going to make the peanut sauce. All right, sis. And what do we need?
Half a cup of peanut butter.
Is that double?
And that's
Debbie wants extra peanut butter.
You can use my peanut butter. Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
I already got it.
That's
I remember you took it out. Okay, so half a cup of peanut butter. Does that say half, sis?
Yes.
Okay, so we need a half a cup of this. This is going to be so good.
Do you have another bin or bowl to put it in?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
They're gonna be so happy, don't you think, sis?
Oh yeah, they're gonna be real happy.
I can't wait till they get here so they could try them. All right, so a half a cup of peanut butter. I never made peanut sauce before, so this is the first time I'm making this. How about you?
I made a peanut sauce for the chicken kebabs.
Oh, okay. Well, this sure does. Anything with peanut butter looks good to me. All right, so peanut butter. What else?
6 tablespoons of lima juice.
Lime juice.
Lima juice. Lima.
Juice. Tablespoon is. Here it is. All right.
And you're gonna need 6 of them.
6 of these.
You.
I got it.
Okay.
6 tablespoons. Ooh, this is gonna be good. And whoops, lime juice makes everything like the flavors just come out.
Make them bop, yeah.
Yeah. Three. Oh my goodness. 4, 5, 6 tablespoons of lime juice. All right, sister. What's next?
4 teaspoons of reduced sodium soy sauce.
Okay. 4 teaspoons.
4
I should have
teaspoons.
brought this over with me when I was here. 4 teaspoons. And this is the reduced sodium. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
And 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And that's everything.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
Yeah.
This is gonna be real good. Real good. Alright, so we'll mix this up. Mix it up, combine it together.
Yep, combine it together. And if you don't even have to cook the peanut sauce.
Oh, okay. That's good. Now it's supposed to be runny-ish?
Runny, yes, because it's a dipping sauce.
Oh, this is looking good. Oh my gosh, and it smells amazing. I can't wait to try this myself. Wow. Good choice, Debbie. Keep them requests coming, you guys. We like to cook, right, sister?
Oh yeah, we love to cook.
Oh wow, this looks great. How's that doing in there?
They didn't say anything yet.
They didn't say nothing?
Nope.
Well, they're not ready then, huh?
Yep.
All right, so we can start putting in the egg rolls. This should be hot. The way that I check is just take a little bit of water. Oh, that's turned a little bit too hot. We're going to turn it down a little bit. Let it cool for a second because I was making this. You don't want it that hot. Oh, man, this looks great. Looks awesome. Clean this up. Yeah, that oil was too hot. You don't want it that hot.
Yeah.
Because it will instantly burn your stuff and pop oil everywhere. All right.
I thought I smelled that burning.
Yeah.
Getting too hot. Yeah.
Yeah. It might take a minute to calm it down. So when the oil's ready, we'll be right back. I'm gonna pause just for no, it was crooked.
Hey, Debie, you can't see. Everything is crooked again.
Alright, so the video stopped. We're not sure where. But anyway, we're trying the baked ones. And they're good. The outside, to me, tastes like a piece of paper.
I like it. Yeah, a little bit. That's good.
But the peanut sauce is great. What do y'all think about peanut sauce?
I think it's pretty good.
Alright.
But the things are hot.
Everybody ready?
They smell really good. Oh, wait. No, I wasn't ready. Oh, wait. Okay.
Right here.
Much better. I like the fried ones.
Oh.
Yeah. The fried ones got more flavor.
Something about don't look too hot.
Definitely the
How
fried.
about smile at the camera?
The camera on.
Gotta smile at the camera. Say hi.
Mmm. What do you think about the fried?
Mmm.
I think I like the fried one more than the baked one, but I think they're both good.
Mm.
I'm not a fan of the sauce,
Oh no.
but I'm a little picky about some stuff.
What do you think, Deb?
I like the baked ones.
Do you?
Not
What about
me.
the sauce? You like your sauce?
I like the sauce. I like the fried ones too. They're both good.
Good.
Sauce is great.
Fried.
Fried ones are better.
What do you think, Jen?
Fried ones.
I think the fried ones win it. What do you think, Lara?
No opinion.
No opinion.
I taste for one.
So you have to pick the fried ones, I guess, because you only tried the fried ones.
These are good.
Mm-hmm.
I like the baked ones.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for making it.
You're still very welcome. And keep coming with what you want us to make, and we will make it. And you got a clicker? All right. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you soon.